These best-selling Amazon kitchen gadgets are popular for a reason. They save time, simplify cooking, and make everyday kitchen tasks easier. But number 11 could be the one you use every single day. Make perfectly juicy meals with the Zuli Kitchen Stainless Steel Turkey Baster. Built with durable stainless steel, this easy-to-use baster helps you quickly collect and distribute flavorful juices, marinades, and sauces over turkey, chicken, roasts, and more. Its sturdy design is made for reliable everyday use, while the comfortable grip gives you better control. A simple kitchen essential for flavorful, tender, and evenly cooked dishes. Upgrade your kitchen with the free Winky ceramic olive oil dispenser bottles. This set of two 16.9-ounce bottles combines elegant ceramic design with convenient pouring spouts for smooth, controlled dispensing. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, dressings, and more, they help reduce mess and keep your ingredients easily accessible. Stylish enough for your countertop and practical for everyday cooking, they're a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Make every gathering more elegant with the Chef Sophie charcuterie board set. Crafted from beautiful acacia wood, this 13-inch cheese serving platter is perfect for entertaining guests. It comes with 4 cheese knives and 4 serving bowls, giving you plenty of space for cheeses, meats, fruits, nuts, and appetizers. Stylish, practical, and easy to arrange, it's a perfect centerpiece for parties, family dinners, holidays, and special occasions. Make breakfast easier with the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 electric egg cooker. This versatile appliance lets you prepare hard-boiled eggs, egg bites, poached eggs, omelets, scrambled eggs, and more. The 5.25-inch nonstick skillet makes cooking quick and convenient, while its compact design fits easily on your countertop. Perfect for busy mornings, it helps you enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked eggs with less effort and cleanup. Brighten up your cooking with the OXO Good Grips Etched Zester and Grater. Its sharp etched surface makes it easy to zest citrus and finely grate ingredients like garlic, ginger, hard cheeses, and chocolate. The comfortable non-slip grip provides better control while you work, and its durable design is built for everyday kitchen use. A simple, versatile tool that helps add fresh flavor and delicious finishing touches to your favorite recipes. Make delicious homemade ice cream right in your kitchen with the Martha Stewart Ice Cream Maker. Featuring a 2-quart double-insulated freezer bowl, it helps create smooth, creamy frozen desserts with ease. Perfect for ice cream, sorbet, and other sweet treats, this user-friendly machine lets you experiment with your favorite flavors and ingredients. Enjoy fresh, homemade desserts anytime. Perfect for family nights, parties, or satisfying your sweet tooth. Keep your kitchen organized with the Joseph Nest 5 Compact Utensils Set. This clever set includes 5 essential kitchen tools that neatly stack together to save valuable drawer and countertop space. The included magnetic storage stand keeps everything securely organized and easy to access. With a stylish dark gray and stainless steel design and dishwasher-safe construction, it's a practical upgrade for any modern kitchen. Brew your favorite coffee and tea with precision using the Anfalank electric gooseneck kettle. With a 1-liter capacity and powerful 1,500-watt heating, it delivers fast boiling and smooth, controlled pouring. Made from BPA-free stainless steel, it features automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection for added safety. The elegant gooseneck design gives you better control, making every pour-over cup easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Upgrade your kitchen with this stainless steel wire cheese slicer, designed for smooth, precise cuts every time. The adjustable handheld design lets you slice cheese thick or thin with ease, perfect for mozzarella, cheddar, Gruyere, and more. Made from durable stainless steel, this premium cheese cutter includes 2 extra replacement wires for long-lasting use. Sharp, sturdy, and easy to handle, it delivers clean slices without crumbling. Ideal for home cooks and cheese lovers, this wire cheese slicer makes prepping cheese faster, easier, and more professional. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with this 10-inch bamboo turntable Lazy Susan. Featuring 2 spacious tiers and a smooth 360-degree rotating design, it keeps spices, sauces, jars, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to reach. Crafted from durable bamboo, Its space-saving design fits perfectly in cabinets or on countertops, helping you maximize storage while keeping everything within easy access. Make garlic prep quick and effortless with the Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. Its rust-proof professional garlic mincer features an easy squeeze design and soft ergonomic handle for comfortable use. The set also includes a silicone garlic peeler and cleaning brush, making peeling and cleanup simple. Durable, convenient, and easy to use, it's a must-have kitchen tool for home cooks who love fresh garlic in their favorite recipes. Save and reuse cooking oil with this 2-liter oil filter pot. Featuring a fine strainer, fryer basket, cooking thermometer, and 50 wax papers, it makes filtering and storing oil simple and convenient. Made from durable stainless steel with a generous 68-ounce capacity, it's perfect for frying, bacon grease, and everyday kitchen or camping use while helping reduce unnecessary waste. Make everyday food prep quick and effortless with this portable cordless electric garlic chopper. Featuring a 400 milliliter capacity and 6 sharp stainless steel blades, it easily chops garlic, onions, vegetables, fruits, and more. The rechargeable cordless design offers convenient use anywhere, while its compact size makes it perfect for salads, baby food, sauces, and everyday meal preparation. Make meal prep faster and easier with the Hamilton Beach 12-cup Stack Snap food processor. Its spacious 12-cup bowl is perfect for chopping, slicing, shredding, and mixing a variety of ingredients. The innovative Stack Snap design makes assembly quick and hassle-free, while the powerful processing performance helps tackle everyday kitchen tasks with ease. A convenient time saver for busy home cooks. Meet the Scene Last warming mat for food, designed to keep your meals perfectly warm anytime. With adjustable temperature control and a built-in timer, you can customize the heat for different dishes with ease. This electric food warming mat features fast 10-second heating, making it ideal for parties, buffets, and daily family meals. The included insulating pad and raised feet help protect your table from heat damage while ensuring safe use. Sleek, practical, and efficient. Make perfectly shaped meatballs in seconds with the stainless steel triple meatball maker. Its innovative design forms 3 uniform meatballs at once, saving time and reducing mess in the kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's easy to use, simple to clean, and perfect for meatballs, fish balls, and other homemade recipes for family meals or entertaining guests. Keep your salads fresh and crisp with the 5.3-quart stainless steel salad spinner. Featuring a durable BPA-free design, transparent lid, drainage hole, and easy stop button, it quickly washes and dries lettuce, fruits, and vegetables. The non-slip base keeps it stable during use, while the dishwasher-safe construction makes cleanup simple and convenient for everyday kitchen prep. Make perfect sushi at home with this easy-to-use sushi maker set. The food-grade sushi bazooka and molds help you craft clean, professional-looking rolls with rice, vegetables, and meat. Ideal for beginners and sushi lovers alike, this DIY sushi tool set makes rolling faster, mess-free, and fun-fresh, homemade sushi anytime. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef 8-piece mixing bowl set. Made from durable stainless steel, these nesting bowls feature airtight lids, non-slip bottoms, and 3 built-in grater attachments for easy prep. Perfect for mixing, baking, serving, and food storage, all in one space-saving design. Get this versatile set today for just $30. Take your everyday meal prep to the next level with the OXO Good Grip Spiralize Great Slice Set. This versatile kitchen tool makes it easy to create beautiful vegetable spirals, great ingredients, and slice with precision. The comfortable Good Grips design provides better control, while its compact setup helps keep your kitchen organized. Perfect for adding fresh, creative touches to salads, sides, and healthy meals. Keep your refrigerator neat and your eggs within easy reach with the Wacoy Auto Rolling Egg Organizer. Its gravity-fed design automatically rolls the next egg forward as one is removed, saving space and reducing clutter. Compact, easy to refill, and perfect for everyday use, it's a smart storage solution that keeps your kitchen organized and your eggs protected. Add elegance and versatility to your kitchen with the Crystal Brew 2-liter clear glass simmer pot. Made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it features a convenient lid, built-in strainer, and anti-scald handles for comfortable handling. Perfect for simmering potpourri, creating inviting home fragrances, or preparing foods on the stovetop. Its clear design lets you easily monitor everything as it cooks. Cook your favorite meals with ease using this 2-liter ceramic glaze electric cooker. Featuring a non-stick interior and dual-power heating, it's perfect for preparing steak, pasta, hot pot, ramen, and more. Designed for quick, convenient cooking, it also includes overheat protection for added peace of mind. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for everyday meals at home, in dorms, or small kitchens. Enjoy fresh citrus juice with zero effort using the Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer. Just press one button and let it squeeze oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits automatically. Its powerful, mess-free design is easy to clean and perfect for everyday use. Bring cafe-quality juice to your kitchen for just $120. Keep your knives razor-sharp with the Presto Professional Eversharp electric knife sharpener. Its advanced 2-stage sharpening system quickly restores dull blades and hones a precision edge for long-lasting performance. Fast, easy to use, and suitable for most non-serrated kitchen and sport knives, it helps make food preparation safer, smoother, and more efficient every time. Make kitchen prep easier with this collapsible colander small strainer basket. Designed with a smart side drain system, it lets water pour out quickly without tipping food over. Perfect for rinsing pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it saves space by folding flat for easy storage. Durable and dishwasher safe, this handy strainer combines convenience, efficiency, and modern design for everyday cooking tasks. Make breakfast faster and easier with the GD3 in one divided egg pan. Cook eggs, bacon, and pancakes at the same time with its smart multi-section design. Featuring a titanium-enhanced non-stick coating that's PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free, it's safe, durable, and induction-compatible. Upgrade your morning routine today for just $18. Make kitchen prep faster and easier with this aluminum foil and plastic wrap dispenser. Designed for smooth one-hand operation, it features a built-in cutter for clean, precise sheets every time. The space-saving design fits rolls up to 12 inches and can be placed on countertops or cabinets, keeping your wraps organized, accessible, and mess-free. Save space and stay organized on the go with the Sooklane 4 PCS collapsible bowls with lids. Made from durable silicone, these expandable food containers fold flat for easy storage and travel. Perfect for salads, snacks, lunches, and camping meals, they come with secure lids to keep food fresh. Lightweight, reusable, and adventure-ready. All for just $19. Keep your kitchen countertop neat with the Utoplex teak wood dish drying rack. Its 2-tier design provides convenient space for plates, cups, bowls, pans, and pots, while the foldable construction makes storage effortless when not in use. Crafted from teak wood, this compact, space-saving rack is perfect for small kitchens and keeps your dishes organized while they dry. Cook like a pro with the Viking non-stick double-burner griddle. Measuring 19 by 11 inches, this hard-anodized grill pan delivers even heat and non-stick performance. With sturdy handles, it's oven-safe and works on gas, ceramic, or electric stovetops. Perfect for pancakes, grilled sandwiches, and more, easy cooking, effortless cleanup. Keep your food perfectly warm with the Feppo electric warming tray. This 4-in-1 buffet solution features a 33 by 15 glass surface, 10 temperature settings, and a timer for precise control. Ideal for parties, catering, or family gatherings, it ensures every dish stays hot and ready to serve. Stylish, modular, and hassle-free. Make everyday food prep quicker with this multifunctional manual fruit and vegetable slicer. Crafted with durable stainless steel, it helps you slice bananas, strawberries, grapes, cucumbers, and more with ease. Its compact handheld design is simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for preparing snacks, salads, and meal ingredients quickly and consistently. Make food prep faster and easier with this multifunctional manual food processor. Featuring an 8-cup clear container and a simple hand-powered crank, it quickly chops, minces, and blends a variety of ingredients. Use it for vegetables, meat, fruits, nuts, herbs, and onions without relying on electricity. Its compact, versatile design makes everyday meal preparation simple, convenient, and efficient for any kitchen. Upgrade your drinking experience with the Draft Top Lift Universal Can Opener. This smooth-edge aluminum lid remover safely takes the top off beer, soda, and cocktail cans for a better aroma and smoother sip. Perfect for tailgating and creative garnishes, it's durable, easy to use, and proudly made in the USA, just like seen on Shark Tank. Experience effortless tea brewing with the Lazy Kung Fu glass tea set. This semi-automatic, drip-rotating teapot features a built-in infuser for smooth, balanced flavor every time. Made from heat-resistant, transparent glass, it's perfect for watching your tea bloom while enjoying a refined, mess-free tea ritual. Grate cheese effortlessly with this rotary hand-crank cheese grater. Featuring 2 stainless steel drums and a comfortable handheld handle, it quickly shreds hard cheese, Parmesan, chocolate, nuts, and more. Made from BPA-free materials and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, this compact kitchen gadget delivers fast, consistent results without the hassle of traditional grating. Create endless frozen treats at home with the Ninja CRME Scoop Swirl Ice Cream Maker. With 13-in-1 programs, it makes soft serve, ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more. The Scoop Swirl handle lets you customize texture and toppings, while 2 included 16-ounce pints make sharing easy. Creamy, smooth, and made your way every time. Upgrade your space in seconds with this pull-out spice rack organizer. This 2-pack metal shelf slides out smoothly, giving you instant access to all your spices. No more digging through cabinets. With a sleek 2-tier vertical design, it saves space and keeps everything neatly organized. No drilling, no assembly, just place it and use it. Perfect for kitchens or bathrooms, it's the smart, hassle-free storage solution you've been looking for. Upgrade your food prep with the 4-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Powered by a 200-watt motor, it slices, shreds, dices, and strips vegetables in seconds. Built for both home kitchens and commercial use, this food processor saves time, boosts efficiency, and delivers consistent, professional results every time. Stove gap covers. Keep your kitchen clean and stylish with these stainless steel stove gap covers. Designed to fill the space between your stove and countertop, they prevent crumbs, spills, and grease from falling in. Heat-resistant, easy to clean, and adjustable from 13.8 to 27.5 inches, these sleek black gap fillers give your kitchen a polished, modern look. A must-have for every kitchen,